We are starting off with 1 bag of chili cheese Fritos and spread that all over the bottom of your baking dish. Right away, we're gonna come in with a pound of ground beef, and I'm gonna start to just place that all over the top of those chili cheese Fritos. Just happen to be one of my favorite, so we're whipping together this delicious crowd pleaser. Okay, so right on top of that, you guys, I have some enchilada sauce, and I'm gonna start to just drip that enchilada sauce right on top of the meat and those Fritos. That's gonna be so tasty. We're gonna nice and layer that up. It's gonna give it so much flavor. I cannot wait. Of course, some cheese is a must on top of this. So we're gonna layer up the cheese. We're not gonna be stingy about it. I'm gonna use this entire bag of cheese. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spread it right here all over the top, you guys. This reminds me of football season. It gets me super excited. Who are we cheering for? How's it looking out there so far? There is so much going on, right? Isn't it exciting at the beginning of the year? You wanna know why? It's because it's still really nice weather and it's not freezing cold yet in some places. Like, tell me, am I right or am I right? It's still nice to go to a game right now. All right, I'm gonna stop about that. I'm gonna pop this in the oven at 350. It's gonna cook for about 25 minutes, and check that out. We have those chips with the enchilada sauce and the meat and the cheese, and it's gonna be fantastic. Oh my goodness, I am starving and that looks delicious. I can't wait to eat it. But first, we are gonna jazz it up. I'm gonna throw just a bunch of shredded lettuce right on top here. Ooh, I love a little crispy shredded lettuce, right? With that warm beef. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. And then here I have some onions, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some onion right on top here. Of course, all the toppings are optional, so you choose as you would like. I'm gonna put some tomatoes on here as well. I love loading some things up with some vegetables. I think it's super tasty like that. I have some jalapenos here too. If I could open it, there we go, perfect. I'm just gonna grab some of these out here. Now, of course, if you don't like jalapenos, you don't have to put them on, but you see they're a bit on the larger side. So I feel like you can always just easily pick them off. So just like a regular nacho dish, I definitely want to have a little bit of spice and jalapeno. If you don't like it, leave it off, but you know what? Or if you don't like it, give it to me. I'll take your jalapeno. Okay, now we have some black olives. Same thing, I'm just gonna put those on top. So we got like a kind of a taco salad thing going on here on the top with some lettuce. We got some onion, tomato, those jalapenos, and the black olives. Now, of course, we're missing a little bit of sour cream, so let's grab that sour cream. I had to give that a little bit of stir, kind of forgot to do that. Stir up your sour cream like that. Bam, okay, there we go. Now we're just gonna glop it right on top. Check out that masterpiece. Let's get all that sour cream off on there. Perfect, that looks so good. Okay, I cannot wait to sink my teeth into this. Look at all that good stuff we have with the lettuce. Oh my gosh, the enchilada sauce, those Fritos under there. Look at that. Everything's just peeping out, all of that good stuff. What a crowd pleaser this is. You put everything right in there. You just glop it on in, put it in the oven. I'm just gonna give myself a whole bunch. I want some extra veggies. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I am talking about. Now, of course, you could throw some more hot sauce in here if you want. If you want it real spicy, I don't know. But I think enchilada sauce that comes like mild, medium, spicy. So you can choose your flavor. So I'm definitely gonna get some cheese in here. I want a little bit of the Fritos and the meat. And I definitely want a black olive. Do you do that? Do you pick all of your things apart like that? Oh look, everything fell off. You know what, whatever. I'm just going for it anyways. This is so good. I absolutely love this. I was craving it, so I thought I'd whip it together, and I definitely wanted to share it with you guys. It's so versatile. You can really throw anything in, but you can't do without the chili cheese Fritos, the meat, and the cheese for sure. The enchilada sauce is also a must. Anything else, tell me what you're gonna add in. I hope you guys love this crowd pleaser, and we'll see you guys later.